Why did McDonald's fail in Jamaica? There was a time when the golden arches of McDonald's once stood proudly on Jamaican soil, only to vanish within a decade. Yes, you heard that right. There was a time when you could grab a Big Mac in Jamaica. And the story behind its rise and fall is as surprising as it is fascinating. In this video, we'll uncover the brief yet intriguing saga of McDonald's in Jamaica, revealing how a global fast food titan struggled to find its place in the land of jerk chicken and patties. Get ready for a deep dive into a tale of ambition, competition, and cultural clashes that reshaped the fast food landscape in Jamaica. The start of the franchise in Jamaica. The McDonald's franchise was introduced to Jamaica in 1995 by Patricia Isaacs Green, who operated the franchise through her company, Three Rivers Management. The brand's entry into Jamaica was marked by significant excitement and optimism, given its global reputation and the successful expansion into numerous other countries. The initial strategy involved rapid expansion, with the franchise opening 12 outlets within the first 4 years. These outlets were strategically located in high-traffic areas, such as Crossroads, New Kingston, and Ocho Rios. Growth and development. The early years of McDonald's in Jamaica saw substantial growth. The franchise capitalized on its strong brand recognition and the novelty factor among Jamaican consumers. Despite this, McDonald's faced stiff competition from established local fast food chains and other international brands. KFC, for instance, had been operating in Jamaica since 1975 and had already established a strong presence and loyal customer base. Operations and challenges. Several operational challenges plagued McDonald's in Jamaica. The stringent franchising requirements set by McDonald's corporate office were a significant barrier. Prospective franchisees had to make substantial financial investments, undergo extensive training, and commit to focusing solely on the McDonald's franchise. This was a departure from the norm in Jamaica at the time, where business people typically managed multiple ventures simultaneously. Competition from other fast food franchises also contributed to McDonald's struggles. KFC, for instance, had a deep understanding of the Jamaican market and adapted its menu to local tastes, offering spicy chicken options that resonated well with consumers. KFC's long-standing presence and a successful adaptation to local preferences made it a formidable competitor. Even though McDonald's introduced some localized menu items, it was unable to match KFC's popularity. Taco Bell and Wendy's entered the Jamaican market around the same time as McDonald's. These brands were able to carve out their niches and maintain operations despite the challenging market conditions. The fact that these brands remain in Jamaica highlights that McDonald's failure was not solely due to the challenges of operating in a foreign market, but also due to its rigid operational practices and inability to adapt sufficiently to local tastes and business dynamics. Promotions and competitions. McDonald's tried hard to engage the Jamaican market with various promotions and competitions. For instance, they introduced the Monopoly game promotion, which was popular globally, but it didn't gain the same traction locally. KFC, on the other hand, excelled with localized promotions. They frequently ran competitions where customers could win cash prizes, free meals, and other rewards. KFC's Finger Licking Good campaign, coupled with frequent special deals and local sponsorships, strengthened their market position. Burger King, another competitor, also engaged in promotional activities similar to KFC. They offered competitions where customers could win trips, electronics, and other prizes. These localized and engaging promotions helped Burger King and KFC to maintain a strong presence in the Jamaican market, unlike McDonald's, whose promotions failed to resonate as strongly. The lead-up to failure. Several factors contributed to McDonald's eventual failure in Jamaica. The economic environment during the late 90s and early 2000s was challenging, with a depreciating local currency and a reduced customer spending power. McDonald's higher pricing compared to local alternatives made it less attractive to many Jamaican consumers, Additionally, the saturation of the fast food market further strained McDonald's ability to gain a strong foothold. How it failed. By 2005, McDonald's decided to close all its outlets in Jamaica. The decision was driven by consistent operational losses, high operating costs, and the inability to meet the stringent franchising requirements set by the parent company. The extensive investment and the training requirements deterred potential new franchisees from taking over existing operations, and the market dynamics did not favor continued operations. Following McDonald's exit, the prime real estate locations they occupied were quickly repurposed by other businesses. Some of these spots were converted into other fast food outlets or different commercial uses. The closure did not significantly impact the overall fast food market in Jamaica, which continued to thrive with local and other international brands, filling the void left by McDonald's. The failure of McDonald's in Jamaica serves as a learning experience for both the company and other international franchises, considering entry into similar markets. It underscores the importance of understanding local market dynamics, consumer preferences, and the economic environment. McDonald's departure also highlighted the challenges of maintaining rigid operational and franchising standards of a global brand in diverse markets. So in conclusion, McDonald's failure in Jamaica was the result of a combination of stringent franchising requirements, challenging economic conditions, strong local competition, and an inability to fully resonate with local consumer preferences. This case illustrates the complexities of global franchising and the necessity for adaptability and local market understanding. The experiences of KFC, Taco Bell, and Wendy's in Jamaica shows that success in such markets requires a deep understanding of local culture and flexibility in business practices. Did you know a McDonald's was in Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you found anything interesting or informative in this video, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, or do it right now by clicking the subscribe button. Until we meet again here on this platform, thank you for watching.